In this video, I'll show you how to add music in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project, or open a project you already started. Once you are inside the editor, import the video clips you want to use and drag them onto the timeline. Now you have a few different ways to add music. The first option is to use music from your own computer. To do this, click Import in the Media panel. Then choose the music file you want to add. This can be an MP3, WAV, or another supported audio file. After the music file appears in your media library, drag it down to the timeline. Place it underneath your video clip in the audio track area. When you press play, you should now hear the music together with your video. If the music starts too early or too late, click and drag the audio clip left or right on the timeline. Place it exactly where you want the music to begin. You can also trim the music if it is too long. Move your mouse to the edge of the audio clip, then drag the edge inward to shorten it. You can trim the beginning, the ending, or both sides, depending on what part of the song you want to use. Next, adjust the volume so the music does not overpower your video. Click the music clip in the timeline, then go to the audio settings on the right side. Lower the volume if your video has talking, voiceover, or important sound effects. For a smoother result, you can add a fade in and fade out. Select the music clip, then look for fade in and fade out in the audio settings. Add a short fade in at the beginning so the music starts gently, and a fade out at the end so it does not stop suddenly. Another option is to use CapCut's built-in audio library, if it is available in your version. Click the Audio tab, then browse through Music, Sounds, or Categories. When you find a track you like, download it if needed, then drag it into the timeline. Before exporting, play your full video from start to finish. Check that the music begins at the right moment, matches the mood of the video, and stays at a comfortable volume. Once everything sounds good, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, frame rate, and file settings, then export the finished video to your computer. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.